What's going on, everyone? Back, got another video here to update on the silver S12 that I had. This is my third one. I guess you could say now second. So recently what I did was I did a new coolant temp sensor right here, as you guys can see. This one right here is one wire, single spade. And then I did all new fuel injectors, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I did a gang of new vacuum lines. I also added new fuel injector connectors. Let's see here. There's also one other coolant temperature sensor down under here. That one I also replaced. Did a valve adjustment, thanks courtesy to my boy Gus. Right now I'm just working on the fuel air idle mixture. Right now it's idling really well. It's running on all 4 cylinders. You know, the cap plugs, rotors. Let's see here. Wires, everything for the most part with NGK or either our standard ignition parts. I did a lot of the maintenance update as far as on my Instagram. If you guys want, I'll definitely leave a link down the channel below. You can see here I did the MSD high vibration ignition coils. I got one there for the intake and then one down here on the bottom for the exhaust. But yeah, right now really the only thing that it needs is just a new radiator. This is the original to the car, and I'm gonna swap over to KA just because right now it's leaking a little bit of coolant, as you guys can see right there. But I'll give it a rev for you. So yeah, so it holds idle pretty well. It's just the initial, once you give it a quick flick, that's when it starts to, you know, kind of hiccup. So you have your air adjustment right here. As far as your air fuel mixture screw, it's just a flathead, but you just gotta kind of dial it in. So I'm gonna read up more on the FSM, kind of get a better reading on it. But yeah, this is how it is. Also another side thing, I need to figure out who's got another hood latch in stock, or you know, gotta see if another car hits the yard so I can get one of these, because you guys can see it's supposed to be a spring like right here, and that spring is gone. So I couldn't open my hood for quite some time, so I had my boss come over and he kind of went underneath the car and kind of finessed his way up and, you know, kind of, you know, did his thing and got it open. So definitely, you know, I need a new hood latch here, and then it runs all the way inside, so I'll probably end up getting a whole new cable as well. So hopefully another car hits the yard. But yeah, this is definitely where we stand right now. Car's idling. I took the grill off just so I, you know, get to the hood latch a little bit easier. But yeah, this is the car, running very well. Might be for sale here come soon. So if you guys are interested, definitely PM me, give me a personal message on Instagram. Give me an offer here. It's super clean. A lot of work has gone into it. It's still not finished. You guys can see a little update. It's kind of got a little bit of an idle issue. Like I said, I got to fix the air mixture. Once I fix it, then we'll be good to go. But yeah, car's pretty clean, very straight, no accidents, clean title. It's just on non-op right now, but yeah, soon to be on the back on the road. Currently no leaks right now, but I don't know if you guys can hear that little hiss. It's like right when I pinch this vacuum line going to this emissions crap, and once I let go, then the hiss continues. So I don't know if maybe I might need a thinner vacuum line, but we'll see. See what happens here come the near future. Definitely not finished. I got another tank at home, so I'll go ahead and put that guy in. But yeah, right now we're just kind of letting things warm up and hoping things go up good. And I want to try and see if the S13 hoses fit. If they do, definitely you guys confirm. You know, let me know. This is on a CA20 blacktop, but I want to swap out the upper and the lower. I'd like to do the Nishimoto, the silicone, but we'll see. Just might have to get some standard for now. But yeah, this is where we're at. A little update on the S12. If you guys like what you see, definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I got more definitely here coming up soon. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.